Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you in this video how you can start dropshipping on Etsy without getting your account banned, because a lot of people go to banned on Etsy because they think that you can sell any item they can find online on Etsy, but that's not how it works. I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to start dropshipping, and I have done hundreds of dollars in sales and I know guys what I'm talking about. So just follow these simple steps and you will start your journey on Etsy. Like if anyone can make $100 a day on Etsy, you can do the same thing. Like you just have to work hard. You can easily make money on Etsy. Now I'm going to show you guys mistakes that you should avoid when you are starting dropshipping on Etsy. I'm going to be showing you guys everything. Like when I first started doing Etsy dropshipping, I was using Aliexpress, okay, and my account got banned because I was listing any product I can find on Aliexpress. I was just like, for example, I can just go to a watch and then I can download the pictures of this watch, and then I go to my Etsy shop and then I list the same item. And I was doing this, and after like a few days I wake up and then I got an email that my account was banned. When I wanted to open my shop, it doesn't let me to open it. It says that something is wrong. So I know guys the mistakes that you are going to make, so I'm going to tell you everything in this video so that you don't make the same mistakes. Now if you want to start dropshipping on Etsy, the first thing you need to know guys is to find a supplier. Okay, my account was banned in 2018 and I was using Aliexpress, and until this day I am still using Aliexpress. And the funny thing about Aliexpress is you can find handmade products, and the reason why I use Aliexpress is you can find like all category, like you can find a bunch of products, a lot of products, and they look like they are handmade. Okay, now that's why guys I use Aliexpress, is because you can find a cheap item at the same time you can find a handmade product that you can list on your Etsy shop, and then you start getting sales. Now the first thing, like I said guys, is to look for Aliexpress. Aliexpress is the biggest Chinese website in the world. So just search for Aliexpress and then open your account, log in into your account. This is very easy. You just want to click sign in here and then sign in using Google, and then boom, you have your account. Now you can start using Aliexpress to send items to your customers that will buy something from, like that bought an item from you on Etsy. Now how you can start this business? First thing, you have to go to Etsy, okay, and just look what other sellers are selling. This is what I do most of the time. I just copy other people. You might say, okay, you shouldn't copy that, you should be original. It really doesn't work. You just have to do what proven to work. Like you don't have to waste time on doing something that you think is going to work when everything is in front of your eyes. You can just find something that works and you can just duplicate that. You can just do the same thing and make it better. And that's exactly guys what I do since I started doing dropshipping. Like it's been 3 years. That's all I do. Like I just copy others. Like that's all I do. I don't do anything original. For example, I go to Etsy and then I find a seller. For example, this one, as you can see, this necklace. Now what you need to do guys, like I said, is to find a product that you are going to sell, that you want to sell. Find it on Etsy, not Aliexpress. Okay, Aliexpress you can just find, for example, this one. Okay, you just take a product like this one and then you list it because it doesn't look it's handmade. Okay, now what you need to do guys, after you search for a product on Etsy, like go to Aliexpress and search for the title, for this title. Just copy the key, like for example necklace. Okay, necklace for like custom. Okay, name necklace custom. So find sellers who are going to add a name when they buy something from you. When a customer buys something from your Etsy account and then they tell you, hi, we want a name in our necklace, then you can tell the seller on Aliexpress the same thing, and then they can ship the item directly to your customer without you doing anything. You just do that on your laptop or PC. That's the beauty of dropshipping, isn't that easy? Like you can make money. Like I have done a lot of businesses, but dropshipping is the easiest business. Like I have done doing dropshipping. I have done doing dropshipping on eBay, on Etsy, many websites, and the beauty of dropshipping is easy. Like if you can do it on Etsy, you can do it on eBay. It's similar thing. It just on eBay you can list any item here. Like you can list any item that you can find on AliExpress. Okay, like eBay doesn't care about that. Like I have done hundreds of like $100,000 on eBay, like just listing AliExpress products, like crazy. Now, like I said, guys, you just want to find product like this, custom, for example, and there's name necklace custom. Like find someone who can add a name to the necklace after you purchase the item. You can tell them the name, and then they can add the name to the necklace. Now, for example, this one, okay. What you need to do, guys, first is to find someone who doesn't have like crazy pictures, something that looks like it comes from a company or a big company. Just find like a normal picture, just like these pictures. They are normal, nothing crazy here, as you can see, nothing crazy, just normal pictures, nothing edit, like no edits, nothing, just like a normal picture. Now what you need to do, guys, is to find something like that on AliExpress. Okay, now for example, I will go with this. For example, I'm going to necklace. I'm going to search for necklace for woman, custom name. Okay, now after you search for that, you will find a bunch of products that will custom like the necklace. Okay, for example, this one, it looks like it's handmade. This one, I like this one. Now what you need to do, guys, first is to download an extension so that you can download AliExpress images on your PC so that you can upload them to your Etsy listing. Okay, the first thing you want to do, guys, is to search for AliExpress. Okay, or just search for download pictures from AliExpress, and then click the first extension, and then you want to click add to Chrome in the top right. I already added, that's why it says here remove from Chrome, because I already added the extension. You want to add it, and then after that, guys, whenever you open an item on AliExpress, you will find here 4 different options: download main images, download product video, download feedback images, download description images. Now what you need to do, guys, is to download the images of the item so that you can sell the same item. Okay, now after that, guys, after you download these pictures, you want to go to your Etsy, and then you start listing the item. Listing on Etsy is very easy. So I just opened this new account. You want to just click on sell in the top right, or if you already have an account, it will say your shop manager. Click on it, and then you start your shop. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now select here United States, and then here the shop country, United States, shop currency, dollar, always go with dollar, save, and then shop name. You just have to add a name here. If you are selling, for example, necklaces only, then you can just add here the shop name around that product, or the products that you are planning to sell. If you are going to sell only jewelries, which I suggest sell only jewelries, because you can find a lot of custom jewelries on AliExpress. After you can click save and continue, and then you just want to add the pictures here. As you can see, add photo. You want to upload the pictures. Before you upload these pictures, I would suggest you edit these pictures. Just search on Google for edit pictures for free, and just add some, like, you don't have to add anything, just increase the brightness, or just edit something in the picture so that Etsy will not recognize that the pictures come from AliExpress. I always do this. I don't know why, if it's just like my mind, but I always do this. I don't know why. I will always edit the pictures before I list the item on Etsy. Now next thing, you want to add the title. Now if you are adding the title, don't add the title from AliExpress. Add the title from Etsy seller, because the Etsy seller knows what he is doing. Like, the product is proven to work. Now you just want to find a similar product that you are planning to sell. After you find it on AliExpress, copy the title of Etsy seller, not AliExpress seller, and then change something in the title. It doesn't matter what you change, just change something in the title. And then after you let me search for a title from Etsy. Now I'm going to list, for example, this necklace for a woman. So I will copy someone who is selling something similar to this. Now you want to copy this, and of course you are going to change the information of about the product, like gold, something like that. Now after you edit the title, and then you add the description. Don't add the description from Aliexpress, just add the description from you can just ask ChatGPT, give him a title. It's like he's a man. Give him a title, and then he will give you a description, the product description for your item. Just tell the ChatGPT, I want a title, a product description for my product title, and then paste the title there, and it will give you the product. Or if you don't want to do that, just copy the title, or copy the description on the product on Etsy, not AliExpress, like I said. Now after you do that, you just want to paste the description here, and after that you want to enter here the price, stuff like that. I will leave you with this. This is very easy, guys. You just want to enter here the quantity, the shipping, where you are planning to ship, shipping prices, the zip code. You just want to search for zip code of the city of the item on AliExpress, for example, because all items come from China. You can find items that come from United States by just searching for it, like search for something that if the seller has a stock in United States, you will find that. Now if you don't know anything, guys, just search on YouTube for how you can find you say sellers on AliExpress. You can find that, and then you can start your journey with dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy. Now what you need to do, guys, next is, like I said, the shipping time. It doesn't matter if you are asking that the shipping time from China is long. Most Etsy buyers, they don't care about the shipping time. You just want a cheap item with a good quality. That's all they ask for. Now you want to select your processing time. For example, 3 days. I always go with 3 days, for sometimes 3 to 5 days, but 3 days is my average. And then you can just enter these information, handling fee, that's it. And then you can click save and continue. So guys, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe. I just wanted to show you guys this. I didn't have time. I was working on other businesses. I just want to show you guys how you can do this. Now if you appreciate that, please drop a like on this video and subscribe. If you want to learn more about Etsy, click the video on the screen and you will be able to learn more about Etsy dropshipping.